Hey, I'm Shy Fox, your go-to YouTuber on all things Twitch emotes, and today we're going to answer the question of what canvas size should you use for your emotes and for your badges, as that is something people seem to ask me a lot. So to get right to it, no matter what program you're drawing in, this answer remains the same. I'm sitting here in my Clip Studio Paint program, File New, and you get to choose Unit, Pixels. In pixels, I do 500 by 500 pixels for my emotes. And then I do a resolution of 90. So that's the DPI. So 90 is about the sweet spot. If I was doing an artwork for print, I would do 300 DPI, but 90 is sufficient for digital purposes. I wouldn't go any lower than 72. So do 90. And then with badges, the size that I use is 400 by 400 and a resolution of 90. And you might be saying, well, emotes are 112 by 112. Why would you do 500 by 500? It's fine to make it bigger. Emotes can be scaled down, of course, but they cannot be scaled up. So if I were to, let's say, at smallest size, do my emote at 28 by 28, which is really small, you wouldn't be able to scale it up. It would get distorted and stuff. So that's the size that I use. Hopefully that kind of answers the question. I do make other emote videos. I've got 5 previous to this videos on my channel, an in-depth guide walking you through how to create an emote. I have how to make emotes with your mouse. I have how to create text emotes, and a couple other videos. So you might want to check out that playlist. That'll be helpful. I'll put that in the top right. And I hope that answers your question. And if you have any other emote questions, of course, check out the videos, or put it in the comments, your questions, so that I can perhaps make other videos about it. Subscribe if this was microphone. Hello. Subscribe if this was helpful to you. And have a great one. Bye, guys.